Anna with Parker here. Today we'll be finishing our tag project. We'll be making a tag case and a tag holder. Here are the two tags and tag cases I created with the pink tag holder. The tag holder can hold many tags inside. In this video, we are creating a purple tag case and a purple tag holder to match our embellished tag. First, I measure the tag, which is here 5.5 centimeters. Then I double the measurement and add extra centimeters to make sure the tag will fit inside the tag case. Now I measure the height of the tag, which is 10.5 centimeters. I add some extra centimeters and then cut at 12 centimeters. Here I measure against the tag case I have previously done to make sure I get it right. I also make sure that I check that I folded the right way. Better to be safe than sorry. I glue the side and the bottom part of my tag case, and then I even both sides with my scissors. I check with the ruler if both parts are glued properly, and then I try with the tag to see if it fits. Yes, it does. Now we're nearly done. I use my round opening template as I don't have a round puncher. I always do with what I have. And here I advise you to do the same. Always find a way. I keep these two pieces of paper, together they create a diamond shape, which I love, and I keep them aside for our tag holder. We created our tag case in 5 minutes. Well done! And here is a cute way to add mystery to our journals and to surprise our pen pal. Our tag case is done. Let's do our second project, the tag holder. The pin holder is halfway the width of the A4 paper. So I'm just going to double check with the tag. And yes, it's about right. I will trim the A4 paper halfway lengthwise. I use the tag case to help me measure the tag holder, and I leave a 2 cm gap at the top. This is the perfect fit for our purple tag case. Let's glue the sides, and we have nearly finished our project. Let me smooth out both sides of the tag holder with my sanding sponge, and then I will show you how to do a closure with the 2 pieces of paper I kept aside. I straightened the 2 pieces of paper with cardstock . I glue them on a small piece of cardstock and make sure they align properly and create a diamond shape. Holding the tip of the closure, I glue the bottom part, which is around 2/3 of it. This was a fun tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it like I did. Our tag holder is complete. Let me show you some pictures of the pink tag, the pink case, and the pink holder I created using the Damask pattern kit paper pack. I've put the link below. Thank you for being here and subscribing to Anna Paper Art Studio, and I'll see you in the next video.